Hi, I'm Stuart Porter, Chartered Financial Planner. This short video looks at what I believe is one of the most important, if not the most important word in financial services. Here are a few words which you might be thinking are important factors in financial planning. And I agree, they're all important. However, there have been examples where those in position of trust in financial services have seriously damaged the reputation of the industry. There have also been occasions when ethics have been called into question. And whilst transparency has significantly improved, there are still improvements which could be made. This has led to fewer people seeking advice when it would have benefited them. So, how do you know if a person you are seeking to advise you on your finances is putting your interests before the commercial interests of their firm or their own? A survey conducted in the US found that 93% of respondents believed that their advisor should put their clients' needs first. So there's a strong demand for this type of behaviour. However, 53% wrongly assumed that their advisor had to for regulatory reasons. So you can see the problem is not just in lightly regulated jurisdictions like the UAE, but also in more stringently regulated places like the USA. I believe that everyone offering a service for a fee should act in an ethical manner, placing their clients' interests before their own commercial ones. After all, you're entrusting them with something that's important to you and you want the best outcome. Whether that's your doctor advising you on your health, an accountant on tax, or a lawyer on a legal matter, finance should be no different. So where to start? I'd recommend checking out the advisor's membership of professional bodies. Professional bodies require their members to act in an ethical manner. This is because good behaviour promotes the industry generally. Where clients have reason to complain, they can make a complaint to the professional body, which can lead to penalties against the member. I'd only recommend working with an advisor who has made the commitment of time and effort to get professionally qualified. After all, you wouldn't use an accountant or lawyer who didn't have the appropriate experience and qualifications. But is there another way? The Oxford English Dictionary defines a fiduciary as a person, such as a trustee, who holds a position of trust or confidence with respect to someone else, and who is therefore obliged to act solely for that person's benefit. A number of firms in the USA have voluntarily offered to have their books and processes examined by independent third parties to demonstrate that they are truly acting in their clients' best interests. These companies have then been independently accredited as fiduciaries. In financial services, the USA tends to be a few years ahead of the rest of the world. However, there are also 5 firms in the UK who've decided that this ideal is important enough to commit time and resources to. There is also one in the Asia, Middle East and Africa region. Of course, whilst being a certified fiduciary is important, it's not the only factor that you should consider when researching for financial advice. There are many other things to consider too, such as licensing, experience, professional qualifications, and intangible factors such as a feeling the advisor understands your situation and needs, to mention a few. I believe that putting a client's interests before your own is simply good business practice. It leads to better long-term relationships which have better outcomes for clients. Happy clients recommend friends and colleagues, and so the business grows. So is fiduciary the most important word in finance? I think it's one of the most important. It helps clients understand the culture of the advice firm. When combined with high ethical standards and transparency, it helps build trust. Trust is an essential ingredient for a successful professional relationship with clients in financial planning. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you have any questions. I've been working in the financial services sector for over 30 years, which equates to about 50,000 hours of experience in helping clients with their finances. I hold a first-class honours degree in financial services. I'm a chartered financial planner and fellow of the Personal Finance Society. The last 20 plus years have been in the UAE, where I've appeared on radio shows and in the national press. This experience has given me valuable insight into what makes expats feel secure and vulnerable financially, which means that when it comes to planning, I know how to help you. I believe in working in partnership with you so that you can live the fullest life possible. My service saves you countless hours every year so that you can spend more of your time doing the things that make life worth living. I have a proactive approach to keeping you informed of relevant developments and preventing financial mishaps and helping you progress towards agreed objectives. With an objective eye on your circumstances, I help make sure that you're ready for life's important transitions such as retirement and relocation to your next expat posting. Over the years, a number of clients have been kind enough to provide me with testimonials. Here are a few, and more can be found on my website, stuartporterfinancialplanning.com. As a partner at AES Wealth, I work for the only independently audited fiduciary investment advisor in Asia, Middle East and Africa. As this video shows, a fiduciary places your needs before the commercial needs of the firm. AES is also the only fee-based advice firm in the GCC. These are my contact details. Please get in touch either via email stuart.porter@aesinternational.com, or you can give me a call or WhatsApp on 050 594 5217. Look forward to hearing from you, and thank you very much for listening and watching.